Good evening, students.
Good evening, ma'am.
Okay, so today's date is 9th January 2021. Okay, this is class 11th and I will teach you economics. Okay, so I'm going to ask you a few questions. If you know the answer, then give answer in complete sentences. Okay, so who grows crops on agricultural land?
Farmers grow crops on agricultural land.
Okay, so where do farmers live?
Farmers live in village.
Okay, so what is the main occupation of people in village? Can you repeat?
Agriculture is the main occupation people in village.
Very good. Okay. So which economy is dependent on agriculture? Can you repeat? Can you repeat your answer? Which economy is dependent on agriculture?
Indian economy is dependent on agriculture.
Good. Okay. So what is first sector of economy?
There are three sectors of economy.
Okay. So student, today we shall study about primary sector. Okay. So how many sectors are there?
There are three sectors in economy.
Okay. So what do you mean by primary sector?
Primary sector includes agriculture.
Okay. So, primary sector. Okay. So, here is the meaning of primary sector. The primary sector of the economy includes any industry involved in extraction and production of raw materials such as farming, lodging, hunting, fishing, and mining. Okay. So, in the images also you can see first is agriculture because it is production of goods. Okay. Raw material because we take raw material from nature and then we do activity from that raw material. These comes under the primary sector. Okay, first we can see farming. Second is dairy. Okay, cows are there and in here we are doing dairy. Third is fishing, and this fourth one is we are having this tree. Okay, so woods are there also because from natural resources woods have been taken and then extraction or production will be done afterwards. Okay, so these are the meaning of primary sectors. So now tell me, what is the main activity of primary sectors in India?
Agriculture is main activity of primary sector in India.
Very good. Agriculture is main activity of primary sector in India. Tell
Primary
me,
sector.
what are the activities of primary sectors?
Fishing, mining, agriculture are the activities of primary sector.
Okay, so here are the activities of primary sector. First is agriculture. Okay, so we all know that agriculture is main activity of primary sector, especially in India. Okay, because 72% of Indian economy is dependent on agriculture. So that's why agriculture is main sector activity of primary sector in India. Second is fishing. Okay, so fishing is one of the important activity of primary sector in which fishes have been taken up from the ponds, from the rivers, and then the activities are taken places. Third is mining. Okay, so extraction of natural resources from the earth is comes under the activities of primary sector. That's why mining comes in the primary sector. Fourth is forestry. Okay, so in forest, if any economic activity is taking place, then it is called as the forestry, and this comes also under the primary sector. Okay. Fifth is mineral extraction. Okay, so you might have heard the mineral extractions from earth. Okay, that's why it comes under primary sector. Okay. Okay, so name one activity of primary sector.
Fishing is an activity of primary sector.
Very good. Fishing is one of the activity of primary sector. So,
Primary
name.
sector.
Can you tell me the features of primary sector?
In India, economy is mainly dependent on agriculture
Very
sector
good.
or primary sector.
Okay, so the features of primary sectors are here. First, it directly obtain resources from nature. Okay, so what happens? It takes resources from nature only. It does not take any man-made resources. Okay, it takes resources from the nature. Okay, which is one of the key feature of primary sector. Second, it covers basic need of human being. Okay, so you know that from agriculture we get food to eat, okay, which is our basic human need. Okay, and we know that agriculture comes under primary sectors. That why it covers basic need of human being, because without doing primary sector or without the primary sector, human being cannot satisfy their basic needs. They cannot even consume food. So that's why primary sector is important, and it covers basic need of human being. Third is it is one of the oldest economic activity. Okay, so even before tertiary sector and secondary sector, primary sector has came. Okay, so it is one of the oldest economic activity. Or you can even you might have studied in social science that the people, the person on earth, even 100 or 1000 years before, they have started doing cropping, they have started doing agriculture, they were domesticated animals, and then they did farming, okay, to food, to consume food or to survive. Okay, so that is why it is one of the oldest economic activity. And fourth is in charge of providing food for consumption. Okay, so primary sector is solely, okay, we are dependent completely on primary sector to for consumption of food. Okay, so for human being basic needs are only can be covered by primary sector only. Okay, so which is the oldest sector of economy? Can you tell me?
Which primary sector is the oldest sector of economy.
Very good. Can you tell me some problems of primary sector?
Nowadays, farmer commit suicide due to some problem.
Okay. So here are the problems of primary sector. Okay. So primary sector does have so many problems. As you told me that some farmers are committing suicide. So there must be some reason behind these suicides, and primary sector is in danger. Okay. So first problem is monopoly power. Of course, you might have heard that in India there are so many middle class farmers are there. They are not the landowner. They are not the landowner of a large farm. They have very small farms. Okay, so the owners, the landlords, they are having a very large farms. They are having completely monopoly over these farms. Okay, and they do, they exploit these farmers. These normal farmers are being exploited, and which is very big problem of our primary sector. Okay, and this is also very serious problem of primary sector. Second is export revenue, of course. So even the farmers grow crop, they export these things, then even they are not getting their prices. Okay, so they are not even getting the half of these prices, which is very difficult. This is very difficult for farmers. Okay, and this is one of the serious problem of primary sector. So this is export revenue, they are not even getting half of their revenues. Okay, and deindustrialization. Okay, so problem deindustrialization is one of the problem of primary sector. Because of the industries, these problems are facing by farmers, and these were the problems of primary sector. Okay, so what is primary sector?
Primary sector of economy extracts or harvests products from the earth such as raw materials.
Very good. So what are the activities of primary sector?
Agriculture, mining, fishing, all the activities of primary sectors.
Very good. So what is one feature of primary sector?
It directly obtains from natural resources.
Okay, good. So, which is the oldest sector of economy?
Primary sector or agriculture sector is oldest sector of economy.
Agriculture is not sector, it is primary sector. It comes under primary sector.
Primary
Okay.
sector is
Okay. So, what is one problem of primary sector?
export revenue is one of the main problem of primary sector.
Good. Very good. Okay. So, here are some sentences. Tell true if they are correct. Tell false if they are incorrect. Okay. So, first is primary sector is backbone of Indian economy.
True.
Good. Second is primary sector is oldest sector.
True. Primary sector is oldest.
Good. Third is mining is the activity of primary sector.
True.
Good. Fourth is primary sector provide food for consumption.
True.
Okay. Fifth is in developed sector, primary sectors are declining.
True.
Okay, very good. So here is your homework. Okay. First is what is primary sector? Write down two activities of primary sector. Second is write down two features of primary sector. Okay. So thank you, student.